about C# explicit casting. Explicit casting is a manual casting, basically converting a larger type to a smaller size type. Example, double to float, float to long, long to integer, integer to character. We have this example. Now we will see this example in the Visual Studio. Let me go to Visual Studio. File, New, Project, select Control or .NET Framework, click Next. Explicit casting. Create. It creates the empty project called Explicit Casting. It has the empty main method. Now let me go here, copy the sample code which we have already copy, paste inside the main method. In this code I have double, value is 9.78, integer variable, converting double into, this is called manual or explicit conversion. May convert into integer and assign to my integer variable. Print double, print integer, and we have one more line called console read line to wait for the user input. User presses the enter. So this is an example program for explicit casting. Let me start the program. Program started and executed. If you notice here, we have first printing my double variable. That's a double. The output is 9.78. Second, we are printing my int variable, right line. The output is 9. Explicit converting double to integer, then the decimal is removed. So now we understood explicit casting with the sample program. If you got any questions, add it in the comments, not only about this program, any tech questions. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.